Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your account role so you can make irreversible changes. Sign into Play Console with the owner/admin account. Once signed in, locate the app in the All Apps list and open its dashboard. Make sure to download the current release APK or app bundle and export any analytics or user data you need. Also check monetization subscriptions and in-app products for active commitments. Pause or document them so you don't lose revenue or break user expectations. Once done with backups, unpublish the app. Go to Release Production and click Manage followed by Unpublish. That removes the app from new installs while keeping existing users. Next, check closed, internal, and open testing tracks and remove any active releases. Make sure to notify testers so they aren't surprised. Then update store presence and pricing and distribution to disable new user acquisition and remove country availability. This reduces incoming traffic while you prepare final deletion steps. You finish by requesting permanent deletion. Open App Settings Advanced Settings and choose Delete App, confirm the app ID, and accept the irreversible action. Play Console will show the deletion timeframe. Make sure billing and subscriptions are settled, because holds can block deletion. Monitor your developer email for confirmation or error messages. If deletion fails, check your IAM permissions and remove any outstanding financial obligations. One troubleshooting tip: if stuck, re-add owner-level action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.